Here guys, we have 6 plus 6 divided by 6 and multiply 6. Okay, 6 plus 6 divided by 6 equals 1, not 0. Multiply 6. Now 6 plus 1 equals 7. Multiply 6. And 7 times 6 equals 42. This is not correct answer. Follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Multiplication and division from left to right. Left to right. Okay, so solve again. 6 plus 6 divided by 6 equals 1. Multiply 6. Now multiply first. 6 plus 1 times 6 equals 6. Now 6 plus 6 equals 12. This is the answer.